We are back with some brand new Edifier earphones. This time around, we have the X3 Lite TWS earbuds. I want to say a quick thanks once again to the Edifier company for trusting in us to be honest as possible in our previous Edifier review videos and allowing us to say exactly what's on our mind. So what do we actually get with the X3s? Well, first of all, we get this, gorgeous packaging. Everything comes very well presented and packaged. As you can see, there they are, the Edifier charge case and earbuds. Let's go ahead and take them out. Wow, I do actually like the grey colour tone. It's a wonderful sized charge unit, really light, and that's the same when it comes to the earbuds too. Each earbud weighs around 4 grams. They already have medium sized ear tips already fitted. Let's quickly try them within our ears. So initially, we do get lots of passive noise isolation. They definitely have a quite refined fitment, and because everyone's ears are different, we are supplied with 2 spare sets of ear tips. One size small and one size large. Yeah, in case you've got big ears. Which should help keep the Edifier earphones locked into place with that real snug fitment. The charge case again, in what I consider a fashionable colour this year, in that dark grey colour tone. It is an amazingly compact case. As you can see, there's that Edifier logo to the top. Let's go ahead and open it up. By the way, that lid is magnetically sealed. The Edifier X3 earphones are magnetically pulled into those well moulded embedded charge sockets, not allowing the earphones to rattle around, not one bit. No sir. To charge the case, we do get a Type-C charge cable that is supplied. You simply got to insert it into that Type-C charge port, and an LED charge indication light should be illuminated on the front of the case. Now, because the Edifier X3s have the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, connection to your mobile device is not only super lightning fast to connect, but you should have a stable connection while walking from room to room within your household. By the way, if you download the Edifier app, select the X3s from the device list. Although a few reviewers state that the touch controls on the earphones are not ideal and not customizable, I've personally got to say that they are indeed mistaken. Because if you go into the Edifier app, you can not only set up each one of the earbuds touch controls, allowing you to select track selections, but you can also choose the volume controls, the voice assist, the game mode, play pause functions, etc. Now, as well as these functions, from that same Edifier app, you can also find your earbuds with the alert tone. You can set up a shutdown timer for when the earbuds are not in use, and there are also 4 equalizer options to choose from. But the only thing I would say is the negative is I didn't notice any type of noise cancellation settings. No, I don't actually think there's that option with these X3 lights. Audio quality on the other hand though, OMG. For such small earphone units, with those 6mm dynamic drivers, you really feel the energy when blasting out some of your favourite tunes. Trust me guys, I'm not a massive Kanye West fan, but with his banging brand new album just now, these Edifier X3s really set you off in a dancing mood. The bass is actually incredible, the audio delivery is crisp when it comes to the trebles, and I'm happy that the mids never overpower or cause any type of sibilance issues when switching between different genres of music. Even though the noise cancellation is absent, that passive noise isolation with the suction-like sound seal doesn't allow any sound leakage, with the Edifier X3 earphones never causing any type of comfort issues when using them for a long period of time. All of the function controls, once they are set up, they are easy to remember. We personally did leave that game mode to be selectable via the Edifier app, but with regards to the latency, we really didn't notice much of a difference. We're switching from normal mode into game mode when playing a few mobile games. Although I've got to note that sound all around is actually excellent anyway. Music playback time, we used these X3s for a good number of days. Each time that we fully used them, we did record a usage time of between 2 hours 40 to 2 hours 50 minutes. That is out of the 6 hours that was originally specified. But when we test our earphones on this channel, we always use 100% volume consistently. So that's how we got the 2 hours 40 minutes. The charge case, it will supply you with up to 3.5 recharges of the Edifier earphones while on the go, with the earphones taking 1 hour 32 minutes to fully charge from flat.
Alright, so we have been testing these earphones out for the past 3 weeks now. When it comes to the microphone pickup, especially when making any type of voice calls, I have been informed that my voice sounds quite clear from the opposite end, very upfront, with very minimal background noise being picked up, and that's because that ENC technology is blocking out and suppressing, most of the noise. And a quick example of this, by the way, is it's raining in the UK just now. I don't know if you guys can hear. And in this studio, as you can tell, there's no insulation or soundproofing just yet. It is a brand new studio. Yes, that ENC technology does do a very good job suppressing that rain. Not only that, the lip sync is quite good. Actually, when making any type of selfie video recordings just like this one, there doesn't seem to be any, if all, any type of latency issues.
Yes, the voice quality is above average, and in whole I've got to say that these X3s, not only do I love the colour tone, but if you want to change, you can also go for an ivory colour choice too. I would say that these Edifier earbuds are ideal to use while training, working out. They are only IP55 splash proof, so it should protect against any sweat droplets. And one positive point is the touch controls. I do really like them. I don't think they're too oversensitive. I think they're just right when pressing them, and it makes them good to use while in bed at night. You know, while listening to some ASMR or indeed some audiobooks, not allowing the touch functions to be initiated when your head is in contact with your pillow. No. Today we're going to rate the Edifier X3s a big fat 9 out of 10. And I would say for around about £30, that's around 40 in US dollars. You can't go wrong with the Edifier X3s. They're fantastic. Now if you want to check these out for yourself, I've left a handy little link in the video description down below. I am not affiliated in any type of way, guys, no. But if you want to check some of the specifications, etc., well, go ahead, will ya? And if you like what you're seeing within this video, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like this video and share it wherever possible. Sharing's caring. Please support us by subscribing just now, thank you very much. Bearing in mind also hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now we have had these earphones for a very long time, so fantastic to get this video out of the way. And we can't wait to finish our next one, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, there's some older videos showing on screen just now. Here's one. Or you could just click this one here. What do you think about that? But yeah, thanks for watching, and peace!